to my 82, which is right here, and it looks like a little over 75, maybe like 80-ish people visited the beach that day. It's hard to tell because that jump from 75 to 150 is pretty big. Might even be closer to 100 people. What was the temperature when the least amount of people visited the beach? Well, if this is the amount of people, the one down here is the least amount, so that temperature would be 82 degrees. And which variable is the independent variable? We talked about independent means it can stand on its own. Well, we talked about how temperature is always going to be something that stands on its own, because if I say 300 people come to the beach, that doesn't mean it's automatically going to be an 86-degree day, right? The temperature does not matter based upon how many people come to the beach, right? If I said, let's all go to the beach today, does that mean it's automatically going to be 90 degrees? No, it's cold outside. It's probably going to be like 50 degrees. So that's the variable that stands on its own, is the temperature. What does the word correlation mean? The word correlation means how two things are related. So should there be a correlation between the temperature and the number of coats sold? Yes. In the wintertime, you're going to sell more coats because it's colder outside. People need them more. In the summertime, you're probably not going to sell as many coats. So that would be the correlation. The colder it is, the more coats you sell. Should there be a correlation between a person's shoe size and their IQ score? No, there shouldn't be. If I had really big feet, that doesn't matter how smart I am, how high my IQ score is. And then we did correlation as a relationship between data sets. So if you have a positive correlation, it's going upwards. And if you have negative, it's going downwards. If it's all kind of scattered and there's not really a way that they seem lined up together, there's no correlation. And then this weak and this strong. If it's strong, the data points are going to be closer together. It's a stronger correlation. And if it's weak, they're going to be a little bit more spread out, but they still kind of trend in that upward positive way. Same with the negatives. So then we did some examples. We looked at this one. We said it's probably a weak positive because it's trending upward, but the points aren't really close together. And this one here would be no correlation. There's no really way to kind of group them together. So what kind of correlation does this scatter plot have? I would say probably no correlation. It's kind of all over the place. And what does that tell us? It tells us that it doesn't really matter what time of the day is. The number of birds is going to be pretty random. They're not related. Again, here's some types of association: positive going upward, negative going down, no association, it's all just kind of scattered. Non-linear, linear means a straight line, so this non-linear is that where you get that J